Today we will be installing the Blindsgalore Faux Wood Shutters. Before you begin, check your box to ensure your window treatment is as ordered and your install guide and hardware is included. For install, you'll need a drill with a Robertson bit and a level. For taller windows, we recommend a ladder and having a second person assist with the installation. The first step is to assemble the frame by sliding the corner keys into each rail. Apply the included super glue to each corner and press firmly for a tight connection. Before installation, bring the frame to the window to confirm the correct fit. From here, make sure each side of the frame is level. Then, drill the screws through the top pre-drilled holes. Next, leave the frame hanging and place the panel in the frame by inserting the hinge pins. Check the reference sticker on the back of the panel to verify the correct sides. Adjust the bottom side of the frame as needed to ensure it is level and aligned. Then drill the screws through the bottom pre-drilled holes. Insert the remaining screws and make sure that the frame stays level after each screw is installed. Then add the screw caps. Finally, test your shutters by opening and closing to ensure proper alignment. Tilt the louvers open and close to ensure smooth operation. From measuring to installing, we're here to help every step of the way. Find us at blindsgalore.com.